Valentine's Day. You either love it or you hate it. There's no in between. Valentine's Day is the one day in the year where you must put your best foot forward and impress that special someone in your life. Make them feel loved, cared for, appreciated. I'm talking about your cat, obviously. Sure, you can treat your human love interest on Valentine's Day, but don't our pets also deserve to be showered with love and affection? Besides, who really wants to massage a human instead of a pair of fluffy cat paws? Of course, there's no excuse not to spoil your cat every other day of the year, but with Valentine's Day, there's no exception. You either go big or go sleep on the couch. It's the month of love, and we'd love nothing more than for you to join our cat community. Hit that subscribe button and become excited. Excited to learn more about cats and how you can be the best cat owner you can be. My name's Isabel from Excited Cats, and today we're going over 5 ways in which you can show your cat that you love them on Valentine's Day. Number 1, the ultimate gift of comfort. As every cat owner knows, cats love nothing more than sleeping, napping, snoozing, loafing, and laying around as if they are the most hard-working pets on the planet. Most adult cats sleep anywhere between 16 and 20 hours per day. Providing them with a perfect, comfy cat bed will definitely let your cat know that you love them and you want them to be cozy at all times. As some of you might already know, Excited Cats has a sister named Hepper. Hepper is a modern cat furniture brand that we work with, and together we are striving to make cats' lives better and cat owners' lives easier. The Hepper Nest bed is my personal favorite cat bed. If I were a cat, I would have loved to nap in one of these bad boys. Millie is definitely getting a Hepper Nest for Valentine's Day. Number 2, give them a proper massage. Some cats love physical attention and they want to be petted and belly rubbed all the time. Other cats will turn into actual miniature panthers when you try to give them some cuddles. But the truth is, no cat on earth can resist a proper head massage. There are a couple of irresistible techniques and massage methods that no cat could growl for. I have perfected some of these methods and techniques, and I definitely spoil Millie with a massage every now and then, but she's getting an extra long massage this Valentine's Day. I'll link me and Millie's cat massage series in the top right corner so you can check it out and start channeling your inner meow-soos. Number 3, let them unwind with some catnip. We all know that most cats can't get enough of catnip. So let your cat relax and get loose with some catnip, followed by a nice interactive play session to stimulate their senses and prepare them for a deep slumber in their new cat bed. Number 4, give them a guilty pleasure. It's a classic Valentine's Day tradition to spoil your loved one with chocolate. While cats can't indulge in the chocolatey goodness with us, you can probably think of 1 or 2 guilty pleasures that your cat loves but only gets the opportunity to have every once in a while. Whether that's an extra large portion of wet food, a little bit of cream, some salmon, or a couple extra cat treats. Bless your kitty with a small guilty pleasure on this special day. Remember not to feed your cat anything potentially harmful like any of these types of food on the screen. And be careful not to make a habit of feeding your cat things that they should ideally avoid or only get in very low moderation. This is only a special occasion treat every once in a while. Number 5. Nothing says I love you more than quality time. Cats are sometimes known for being cold and aloof, but in reality, they are very attached to their owners, and whether they are super cuddly or don't like to be touched at all, mostly they just want to be close to you and spend time with you. Whether that's chilling on the couch or having an adventure in the garden together or just playing an extra hour or 2. Spending time with your cat, doing something you both enjoy and something that makes you both happy is ultimately the best way to harness a strong bond between cat and cat owner. Do you have any special plans for you and your cat this Valentine's Day? We'd love to hear about it. Please drop a comment below with any tips, ideas, and suggestions for how a cat owner can show their cat they love them. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Turn on the notifications to catch us next Monday and join our cat community on Facebook, Instagram, and check out our website excitedcats.com. I've been reviewing a super handy cat product that every cat owner needs in their life. So stay tuned for the review on Monday. Thank you for watching and see you next time.